Welcome to Tina Tries. Therapy is expensive, so let's try this quick and easy Zen garden first. I'll show you how next on Tina Tries. Today's project is this beautiful sand-filled Zen garden. This file is by Lorenz CR and can be found on MakerWorld. This was printed on an H2C and an H2D in black and magenta PLA. It only took 6 hours to print and used just over 200 grams of filament. You'll also need some super glue, a tea light or a votive candle, and some sand. As always, I'll link everything in the description below. Let's check out the build. Here are the printed pieces. Let's assemble this Zen garden. This is going to be really straightforward. We are going to be gluing our decorative cherry blossom tree into the bottom of our tray here. This step is completely optional. I am going to glue it because I don't want anybody knocking this over and having sand go flying everywhere. I am going to use miter apple with the activator spray for this because all of the stuff that I'm going to be gluing and spraying will be covered with sand. Just a little bit of glue, and I'm going to center this along the back and spray it. So there we have our cherry blossom tree in place. The next step is going to be filling this with some sand. So I have just regular white sand that you would use in an aquarium. You can use sand from your favorite beach, whatever you would like. You can order color sand off of Amazon. There's all kinds of stuff that you can use. I want enough sand in here that I can make some lines with my rake, but I also don't want so much sand that it's going to be spilling out everywhere when I rake it. Yeah, that should be good. For the sand, you're gonna want a relatively fine particulate sand. I think if you use rocky sand on this, you're not gonna get these nice lines from your rake. Next up, we have this little black cup here, and that fits a little votive candle like so. Just drop that in, and you can place that wherever you want in your Zen garden. And just because I'm gonna add some little decorative rocks in here just to spice up the look of it a little. You can decorate yours however you want. You can put shells in here. There are some really cool prints on MakerWorld that are like little Japanese style bridges or pagodas that you can add to this as well. So you can really decorate this however you would like. That looks pretty cool. And now you have your own little Zen garden. You can make all of the designs that you want. Well, that's really fun. Here is the completed Zen garden. This is surprisingly satisfying and soothing to use, and I love the little pop of color from the magenta leaves. Here are my rankings for this project. Ease of printing. This one gets a 10. This file does not need supports, and you also don't need an AMS for this one. Lorenz CR added a pause in the middle of the print so that you can switch out filaments if you don't have an AMS. If you do have an AMS, you can simply skip that pause. You only need to slice this file and send it to your printer. It is that easy. Ease of assembly. This one gets another 10. All you have to do is set the tree in the tray, add your sand and the votive holder, and you're done. If you want, you can glue the tree into place like I did to avoid a sandy mess should the tree ever get knocked over. Remember to use a fine-grained sand so that you have beautiful lines whenever you use the rake. This project is also extremely customizable. You can use whatever colors you like to print this, and you can put anything you want to decorate in there. You can use shells, little decorative rocks. There are even tiny little pagodas and Japanese style bridges that you can print. There are a ton of files on Maker Worlds. You can decorate this however you want and rake the stress away. I definitely recommend using a flameless tea light in here. You can also use a votive candle, but I don't think that the PLA will hold up as well with an actual flame in here. I highly recommend this quick and easy project. It is both beautiful and satisfying. That's going to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed this, please consider liking, sharing, hyping, and subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. I now have channel memberships active if you would like early access to some of my videos and some other really fun perks. Let me know which decorations you would put in this Zen garden in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next one.